Okay, drummers, it's Mr. Reister, and I'm going to play for you this handwritten time for band. It says SOE, that's Standard of Excellence, page 6, number 1. Standard of Excellence is the red book. So while some of the kids are just playing whole notes and other kids are playing harder stuff, you can play this if you want to, if you're advanced and you want to learn how to do this. Okay, so you start out with part 2 because that's the easier one. It starts with a flam tap. Well, it's not really a flam tap. It's a right flam and then a left. Right flam left. 1 and. And then beat 2 is 4/16 notes. So that's 2 and a. Beat 3 is 3 and. Beat 4 is a rolled quarter note. You roll to 16th notes. So during that quarter note, you count 4 and a. So in real slow motion, that measure, first measure is flam and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and a, 1. And then you repeat it. Here it is. Right, left, and 1 and 4 and a, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're down to the second line, and that's measure 5 when you do it the first time, and it's measure 7 when you do it the second time. Okay, so beat 1 is 4/16 notes, 1 and a. Beat 2 is 2/8 notes, 2 and. Beat 3 is a rolled quarter note, which is 16th notes. That's 3 and a. And then beat 4 is 2/8 notes. So starting on beat 3, it's 3 and a, 4 and. So it's really the same rhythm twice. It's just the second time you roll and the first time you don't. In real slow motion. 1 and a, 2 and, 3 and a, 4 and then measure 6 is a flam on 1. I'll do it again. Starting in measure 5. 1 and a, 2 and, 3 and a, 4 and 1. 2. Now we repeat it, and it's measures 3 and 4. Here it goes. 1 I'm sorry, it's measures 5 and 7. My bad. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and 1. I'll do it one more time. So this would be actually measures 7 and 8. Here I go. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning and do the whole thing in slow-mo. This is time for band, page 6, number 1, part 2. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and a, 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and a, 1. Next line, measure 5. Here we go. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the actual tempo is much faster. It's about like this. So I'm going to do it at that tempo right now. Time for band, part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Repeat that. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Next line, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Repeat it. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to do it slow again and then fast again. All right, here we go slower. 1 and 2 and a, ready and go. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and a, 1, 2, 3. Repeat it. 1 and 2 and a, 3 and 4 and a, 1, 2. Next line, measure 5. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Repeat that. Measure 7. 1 and a, 2 and 3 and a, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now much closer to the actual tempo. Let's see how it's going about. I think it's somewhere in that neighborhood. 1, 2, ready, go. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Repeat that, go. 1 and. Next line, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Repeat that, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. I made a tiny mistake, but I think you get it. All right, see if you can work that up real soon. I challenge you. I challenge you.